Hello everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. I am getting ready to go on a beach trip and I'm going to take a couple of dolls with me. I think I'm going to take, well obviously, you know I have to take Malibu. Okay. She's a given, so she's coming. She's actually wearing her NASA jacket. We are going to be going to Cocoa Beach and there's actually going to be, hopefully, at least one launch while we are away, so it would be really nice to be able to see that at the beach. Last year we took a Cocoa Beach trip about the same time and there was a launch on the beach. We had to get up in the middle of the night to watch it and it was amazing, totally worth losing sleep. Okay, so she's wearing her cool jacket, her cool NASA jacket, and underneath that of course she has her VBR t-shirt. So she's coming. Probably just going to keep her in this for now, but we'll see. I might change out her outfit before we head off on the road. And I think I'm going to bring Marco with her too. So yeah, Malibu and Marco are going to be hanging out in Cocoa Beach with me. I believe the group is called the Sisterhood of the Traveling Blythe. And I'm supposed to get that doll Jet any day now, but I have a feeling she is not going to show up here before I leave for my trip. If she does, we will squeeze her in somehow, okay? But anyway, so those are the dolls I'm going to get. I might change his outfit. He's been wearing this outfit that is a, obviously a Creatable World doll outfit. Looks really good on him. But I am going to put some stuff in a little container. I think I'm going to use this, because I think this is a pretty good size. And add some clothes and props and stuff so we can take photographs. This is the boho beach blanket, beach towel that I made from Virtual Blythe Retreat 2023. So that will go, yeah, in fact, it'll fit. Yeah, so that's going to go. And along with that, I'm going to put in this tote bag. This is also one of the projects from last summer's Virtual Blythe Retreat. So that's going to go. And this is a cute little like faux tumbler water bottle thing. So I think that, I'm not sure what that's supposed to be on there. It's like waves or something. But anyway, that's going to go. That'll be a fun prop. I might be taking this. I don't know. I think when, see, it starts to fill up here. I might take this. I might take this. That's not going to fit in there though. It would be nice to have like a little, you know, have a little picnic on the beach. So we'll see. These might come, but I might have to put them in something else. Alrighty, so let's look at the clothes. I have a lot of my Blythe doll clothes separated into bins like this. I think you can see that. And then I have them labeled. This is summer. Alright, so I'm going to pop open here and see what we have. Summer-ish. Definitely, let's see, I know I have some bathing suits in here. So in fact, here's a bathing suit cover-up I crocheted. I'll probably take that. That might be something to take. Where is, I put the, let's see, where are the, oh, here's another one. This is like a little poncho style that I crocheted, so that might show up too. Might be good to bring. Oh, here we go. This has got all of my little bathing suits and stuff for her. And I'm missing one though. There's a peach one that I really like her in. So let me just put these over here. I'll go through those. And then these are some fun, this might be a fun little dress for her to take. This is a Roxy baby, or not a Roxy, this is a Roxy, okay. This is a Roxy Barbie from a Barbie pack. So this might come along. And this might also be a good, this is something I made for last year when I was making, again, for the Virtual Blythe Retreat. I made some dresses like this, so this one might be a fun little dress to bring. So those are possibilities. And here's that little boho dress from last Virtual Blythe Retreat also. But now I want some like little shorts outfits. Some shorts and tops type of thing. Oh, here's another couple of bathing suits. Oh, wait a minute, here we go. Here's that bathing suit I was looking for. I love this bathing suit. It's super cute on her. So yeah, for sure she's going to bring that. Here are some bathing suit tops. We'll see. Maybe she'll wear a bikini. Let's see. What else we got in here? I might have to go to my separates. So I have... These look like a lot of dresses. There's only so many dresses a girl can wear. This is a really cute... I got this from Sparkle Girls years ago when they had them at Walmart. And it's one of my favorite little... favorite little dresses from there. Of course, you guys recognize this. This isn't real beachy. It's summery, but not beachy. So yeah, lots of little cute summer dresses. But like I said, I think I want... Oh, this is really cute. That's very sporty. Let me see. This would be cute too. Oh, here's a little tote bag. Here are some heart sunglasses. Oh, and these. Oh, and these belong to a pair of sunglasses. I need to find out what these belong to. So this heart sunglasses, this cute tote might come. Those are good props. Here's another tote bag. Maybe. Oh, here's a cute top. This would be, that's a possibility. I'll have to find the bottoms to that. And, oh, here are some sunglasses. Okay, so one of these pairs of sunglasses, I believe, belongs to Anna Sui. I think it's this pair. And I was looking for them, so I'm going to put them out here because I was looking for them. Where the rest of it is, I don't know. Let's see. Oh, here's a beach towel. Yeah, we need a beach towel for sure. Oh, and look at this. Malibu. Oh, she's not going to be able to bring all this. I mean, not like she's even going to change her clothes that many times, honestly. But here's some cute little shorts that go with that top. But, all right. All right, I'm going to get out some more clothes. Oh, here's the bottoms of that little pink bathing suit. I think this actually came originally from Cherry Beach stock Blythe. So here's another bin. This one has tops. All right, so let's see what kind of tops I need. Oh, right on top we got Malibu. Okay, she's got to wear that for sure. Maybe she'll wear that. This is a really cute boho top I made. Look how adorable that is. That's a possibility. Of course, we'll have to get some bottoms to go with these tops. Of course, I need some stuff for Marco. He's like, lady, excusez-moi, what about me? Am I going to have any clothes? Yeah, let me see what we got in here for you. Something sporty. Let's see. Something for a guy to wear at the beach. Yeah, a lot of girly clothes, dude. A lot of girly clothes in here. This is super cute. This is beachy, for sure. This is a guy shirt. It's not super beachy, but I'm going to take it out just in case we're kind of getting desperate here. This would be a fun little top for him. This was made by Beth Ramsden, so this would be fun. Of course, we have VBR t-shirt from last year. Let's see. Jacket. I don't think it's going to be cold there. This is kind of funny. We just might throw in some t-shirts and, like, if I could just get one pair of shorts for him, that would probably be fine for this guy. This is pretty cool. This is Creatable World. Alright, so, okay, so I think I've got enough tops for everybody. Let's check out the bottoms. Alright, here are my bottoms. This goes with, where is that little shirt that I pulled out? Oh, this goes with this. This is also another Sparkle Girls outfit. And she could also wear it with this. So, and she could wear this shirt with these shorts. So yeah, I think this and this. Oh, I'm not going to bring that. I got to put that back. Put that back in the tops. I don't know how that got out. So this and this and this and this for sure. And could she wear this with that? Not really. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Let's look for some shorts for this guy, Marco. Some shorts for Marco. Oh, these would be cute, but you know what? These only fit stock Blythe. They're too slim for him, I believe. I don't know. The boy body is slimmer. I'll check that. I will check and see. But I think it's not going to fit. These are a little too girly, thinking for him. I just like a plain. Oh, you know what? Here we go. This would work because I know these are going to fit him. Those are going to fit. So he's going to have jeans and these jean shorts, and then a couple of t-shirts, and he's good to go. And she needs maybe a pair of jean shorts. And yeah. Alright, so I'll be right back to show you what I finally decided to pack. Alright, I'm back. I had to make some tough decisions and kind of hone things down. Can't bring it all, and I haven't even packed for myself yet, so I got to get her done. Alrighty, so she's going to wear, Malibu's going to wear her VBR t-shirt and these super cute cutoff shorts. These, I believe, if I remember correctly, I got them from the stock that came with, what is her name? Sunshine Holiday. She's an amazing doll, has great stock. Yeah, she's a Takara doll, but Malibu's going to borrow her shorts, okay, because they kind of go with everything. And then she's also going to bring this super cute Roxy one-piece bathing suit, this cover-up that I made a while back, okay, and a beach towel, and these heart sunglasses. I have another pair of sunglasses that are the wireframe, but I cannot find them, of course. However, while I was looking for them, I found some fun props I'd forgotten about. Here's like a little floaty buoy type of thing, you know, in case you know, Marco needs to save somebody's life. So there's that. And then some binoculars. These might come in handy for the launch that we're going to be hopefully seeing while we're out there. And then here's another pair of sunglasses. These are for Marco. All right, so he's going to have his shades on. There you go, Marco. Yeah. All right, so he's going to have that. So other clothes for her, this little Roxy dress. She can throw this over her bathing suit if she wants, or wear it as is. Also, we've got this t-shirt, this Malibu t-shirt that goes with this, and then this little top, so she can change out outfits. So everything kind of mixes and matches a little bit. As far as Marco goes, I changed his outfit. He's going to just wear these denim shorts and this super cute little striped shirt. I thought it had a little bit of a nautical feel to it, so he's got these on. And then I'm going to bring this little t-shirt that he can wear with the denim shorts, or he can wear these trunks, which he could wear as a bathing suit too. So he's got a little mixy-matchy. So along with all of this, like I said, I'm going to have the blanket that I made for them the last VBR, and then also this little tote bag from VBR. And I can fit everything in here. So yeah, those are the dolls. And like I said, if Jet shows up, she'll come join us, and you know, she can share clothes with Malibu. but otherwise, this is the group I'm hoping to squeeze into my what do you call it, my suitcase somehow as I make up my way to Cocoa Beach with my family. All right, guys, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Which of the outfits here actually do you like best for Malibu? What do you think she should wear, maybe like if we go out to eat or something? What are your thoughts on that? It's going to be cash the whole time if we go out to eat, so nothing super fancy. All right, guys, as usual, please give this a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for spending a little dolly time with me today, and have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.